Hello students, today we are going to learn linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. Now let's know what we are going to learn in this chapter. First of all, what is linear equation in two variables? What is linear equation in two variable? An equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 where a, b, c are real numbers. A, B, C are real numbers is called linear equation in two variables x and y. So what is linear equation in two variables? An equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0 where a, b, c are real numbers is called a linear equation in two variables of x and y. For example, 3x minus 4y plus 2 equal to 0. This is the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and this is a linear equation of x and y variable. Two variables are there, x and y. This is also linear equation. 2x plus 5y equal to 9. We can change it. 2 clicks plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. This is also a linear equation in the form of ax plus by minus 9 equal to 0. So student, what is linear equation in two variables? An equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and where a, b, c are real numbers. This is called linear equation in two variables. Variables are x and y. Here two variables x and y. Now another topic is solution of a given system of equation. Solution of a given system of equation. Solution of given system of equation. System of equation. There is a two system. Consistent system and inconsistent system. Consistent system and inconsistent system. What do you mean by consistent system of linear equation? Consistent system of linear equation. When a system of linear equation in two unknown is said to be consistent, a linear of equation said to be consistent if it has at least one solution. Consistent system of linear equation if it has at least one solution. At least one solution. And inconsistent system of equations said to be inconsistent if it has no solution at all. It has no solution at all. So what is consistent system? Consistent system means it is said to be consistent if it has at least one solution. Minimum one solution. And inconsistent system if it has no solution, then it is called inconsistent system of linear equation. Now solving linear equation. Solving linear equation. Solving linear equation, there are two methods. One is graphical method. One is graphical method and another is algebraic method. One is graphical method and another is algebraic method to solve the linear equation. Solving linear equation, there are two methods, graphical method and algebraic method. Graphical method. Graphical method, let there is two system of equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. This is one number equation. And a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is two number equation. There is two equation, given system of linear equation. Let the given system of linear equation be a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. This is one number equation. And a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is two number equation. When we draw the graph, each one of the given linear equation, then such graph is always a straight line. On the same graph paper, we draw the graph of each one of the linear equation. Each graph is always a straight line. Each graph is always straight line. When we draw the graph, this is always straight line. Now, suppose this is graph line. This is 0, x, x dash, y and y dash. Two graph lines. Here it is two equation. Two graph lines is there. Suppose one graph line is this one and another graph line is this one. One graph line name L1 and another is L2. Two graph lines are intersect each other at point P. Two graph lines are intersect each other at point P. Now, when two graph lines are intersect each other at a point, let two graph lines L1 and L2 are intersect at a point. Then it is called, this is a unique solution of equation. Unique solution of the given system of equation. Given system of equation. When two graph lines, let L1 and L2, when two graph lines are intersect each other at a point P, then it is called the unique solution of given system of equation. This is called unique solution of the given system of equation. I have already told solution of given system of equation. This is one solution, unique solution of given system of equation. This is case 1. This is case 1. What is case 1? When two graph lines are intersect each other at a point P, then we say it is a unique solution of given system of equation. Now case 2. What is case 2? Case 2. This is graph line, this is origin x, x dash, y, y dash. When the lines, two graph lines, when the two graph lines are coincide means this is L1, let this is L1 graph lines and this is L2 graph lines. L1, L2. This is called coincide. So when the lines L1, two graph lines L1 and L2 are coincident, then we say this is the, it has infinitely many solution. Then we say the given system of equation has infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution. If two graph lines L1 and L2 are coincident, when two graph lines L1 and L2 coincide, then we say the given system of equation has infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution. This is case 2. Now case 3. Now case 3. What is case 3? This is graph lines, origin x, x dash, y, y dash. L1 and L2. Two graph lines are parallel to each other. Two graph lines are parallel to each other means there is no common solution of the given system of equation. There is no common solution of given system of equation if two graph lines are parallel to each other. So the given system of equation has no solution. We can say the given system of equation, the given system of equation has no solution. Is it clear? If two graph lines are parallel to each other, let L1 is one graph line and L2 is one graph line. There is two linear equation, a pairs of linear equation, and let L1 is one graph line from equation 1 and L2 is one graph line from equation 2. So L1 and L2 is parallel to each other. Two graph lines are parallel to each other. Then we can say the given system of equation has no solution. So a system of two linear equation in x and y has a given system of linear equation. So we conclude that a given system of linear equation for x and y for x and y, a given system of linear equation for x and y, a unique solution if graph lines are intersect at a point. If graph lines are intersect at a point. A unique solution if graph lines are intersect at a point. Number 2, infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution if graph lines infinitely many solution if graph lines coincide. If graph lines coincide. And third condition, no solution if two graph lines are parallel. Two graph lines are parallel. There are three conditions. The given system of linear equation for x and y. The given system of linear equation for x and y has unique solution. Unique solution if graph lines are intersect at a point. This is a unique solution when it is called unique solution, means graph lines are intersect at a point. If it is called infinitely many solution, then two graph lines are coincide. Two graph lines are coincide. And if it is no solution, then it is two graph lines are parallel. Now we can say that in unique solution graph lines are intersect at each other, graph lines are intersect at a point, so there is a solution. That means unique solution is also called consistent. Unique solution is also known as consistent. Infinitely many solution, if graph lines are coincide, that means there is also a solution. So it is also called consistent. But no solution. In this case, the given system is inconsistent. Given system is inconsistent because there is no solution and two graph lines are parallel to each other. So there is three solution, unique solution. If graph lines are intersect at a point, that means there is a solution, at least one solution. So it is also called consistent. Infinitely many solution. If graph lines are coincide, means it has also solution, then it is also consistent. And no solution if two graph lines are parallel to each other, because in this case the given system is inconsistent. Okay students, thank you in this class up to this.